So good day sa lahat. So ngayon is gumawa tayo ng home automation gamit ang board na ESP32. So dito sa home automation na to is gumamit tayo ng 8 relay. So kung marami-rami yung kailangan nating i-control, pwede tayong gumamit ng 8 relay, pwede din tayong gumamit ng 4 module relay kung ganito. Kung konti lang naman yung i-automatic natin o kung gusto nating i-control na mga ilaw or appliances kahit wala tayo sa ating bahay o nasa malayo tayong lugar. So ito is kung walang wifi, pwede natin kontrolin through manual switch. So makokontrol pa din natin siya kung walang wifi. So through application, gumamit tayo ng ESP Rainmaker and then yung Alexa application, and then yung isa pa is yung Google Home application. So press natin to. Assistant. Alexa, please turn on garage light.
All right, turning on the garage light.
Alexa, turn off garage light.
Sure, turning the garage light off.
So kung kahit nasa kwarto tayo at pagising sa umaga, tinatamad tayong bumangon para lang mag-turn off ng mga ilaw natin. So pwede natin itong i-apply kahit nasa kwarto lang tayo. Pwede natin i-control ang mga ilaw natin through voice command or through application. So sa device yan, entrance light, i-on natin, garage light, sa kitchen light, living room, outdoor light, backdoor light, and pwede din natin itong i-voice command. So, Alexa, please turn off all light.
Got it. Turning 7 switches off.
Note niya na lahat. Alexa, please turn on all light.
All right, turning on 7 switches.
Okay. Alexa, please turn off outdoor light and garage light.
Got it. Turning 2 switches off.
Alexa, please turn off entrance light.
Okay, turning the entrance off.
Alexa, it's very hot now. Please turn on fan.
Got it. Turning the fan on.
Hangin na. Alexa, please turn off fan.
Okay, turning the fan off.
So kung may CCTV tayo, mas maganda yung magiging home automation natin. Kasi kung nasa malayo tayong lugar, makikita natin yung bahay natin. And then hindi lang natin makikita, makokontrol pa natin. So ikakabit ko na to. Pag dumating yung CCTV, i-document ko lahat ng process and then operation. So itong bahay ko is gagawin ko ng smart house. Okay.